Music can be used to help regulate the sensory system. So whether that's trying to alert someone, getting someone who's hypo-aroused, is just more lethargic and has a hard time attending, music can be used to help alert them. And then music can also be used for kids who are hyper-aroused, who tend to be more active. It can be used to help regulate them and calm their sensory system. I've provided a printable here that has a sensory menu of ways that you can use music to help either alert the system or calm the system. Music with faster beat per minute tends to be more alerting, while music with the slower beats per minute tends to be more calming. I suggest if you are trying to work with a child who is more hyperactive, is hyper-aroused, that you start closer to their level. You don't want to immediately start on that lower BPM because they'll tend to be just resistant to that. So you kind of want to start where the child is and slowly move to a slower tempo. And you can follow some of the activities that are on the sensory menu to help guide you in that. If you're working with a child who you need to try to alert, use music's more unpredictable qualities. So starting and stopping music tends to get attention. Say if you are singing a song and you go A, B, C, D, E, F, that unpredictable starting and stopping is going to help engage that attention. And music is so powerful in engaging our attention. You can check back on the module that is all about attention. I tell you all about that. So we won't take time during this module, but you can use those unpredictable qualities, going louder to softer suddenly. Of course, don't scare your child, but using just more unpredictable patterns is going to help to arouse and alert the sensory system. For kids who need to calm down, are more alert, that you need to calm their sensory system, you want to use the predictable patterns of music. So very steady rhythms, very predictable melodies, especially songs that they know are going to be most impactful. Using predictable versus unpredictable music depending on what your child needs, and pair it with the sensory menu provided, and that can help you to get some ideas of how you can help your child to regulate their sensory system.